Do you know you can grow your Facebook page with videos like this? Your Facebook page or your TikTok account or your Instagram account or your YouTube account, you can grow it with this type of video. Let me play this video so that you are going to see the video.
Oga, give me my money. I no get time for your explanation.
This Oga, abeg, student help me. I no get money.
If you no want make I slap you, come out right now. Now me you want fun for?
So for this country, nobody they help each other again.
Now you can be posting this type of video on your account and it's going to be monetized. And to create this type of video is very simple. You can do it. Let me show you how you are going to do it using your smartphone. So the first thing I do was to head over to ChatGPT, and on ChatGPT I write my video idea, and this is the idea I gave to ChatGPT. I say I want to create 2D animation video of two Nigeria guys in Lagos bus stop. A tall guy and a short guy. The tall guy should be standing by the bus stop and saying, "Oga, give me my money. I don't have time for explanation." So just write your video idea, everything here. You can read it just like it is right now. I cannot be reading everything because this video will be taking so long. So just write your video idea and put through 2D animation. Now after you write it, now ChatGPT is going to give you the character design. As you can see, this is the character. This is the first character, that is the top guy. This is the character. If you want to generate the image, this is the second guy here. If you want to generate his own image also, this is how it's supposed to look. Now, the first thing you have to do is just to, as you can see, 2D animation. This is the image prompt for the first scene. So I can just copy this like this. After copying it, I'll go back to ChatGPT. I will say, generate this image. And I'll paste that prompt. That prompt I just copy right now. I'll paste it and I'll click on generate. So I copy this first prompt here. This first one here. The first one you are seeing here. I copy this prompt here. Now, after copying the prompt, I give it to ChatGPT. I ask it to generate the image for me, and it's generating the image. So you can ask ChatGPT to generate the image for you, or you can go to other AI tool. You can go to other AI tool like Gemini or any AI tool of your choice to generate the image. So you can just use any AI tool. Now, let's wait for the ChatGPT to generate the image for us. And after I generate the image, I'm going to use this image to generate our video. Now, as you can see, create image is generating our image. Now, this is the image. As you guys can see, this is the image here. Now, I just need to click on save here. Now, it has saved the image. Now, the next thing I'm going to do, I'll go back to first scene here. As you can see, our first scene here, first scene. So this is the prompt I copied some minutes ago. Now I'm going to copy image to video prompt here. I'm going to copy it. So I'm going to copy it. After copying it, then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to use Grok AI. Grok AI. I show you guys on my previous video how you can subscribe to Grok AI for free. And you can be using it. So I subscribe for 3 days right now, and I'm still using it to generate image video. So you click on this plus icon here, you click on animate photo, and after that you are going to upload that image. This is the image, and after uploading the image, I'll click on make a video. Then I'll paste the prompt here. After pasting the prompt, I'll click on here like this, and I'll put it on 10 seconds and 720p. And after that, I'll click on generate. So right now, as you can see, it's generating the video. So let's wait for it to complete. And after it completes, I'm going to show you the video. And we are going to extend the video to 30 seconds. Because that is what I give to ChatGPT and write us the prompt. So as you can see, it's generating the video for us. So let's give it some minutes so that it's going to continue and so that it's going to generate this video for us. Now that this is the video here, it has completed the video. This is the video. This is the video here. So the next thing I'm going to do, I don't want to waste your time. So I can just come back to scene 2 here, and I'm going to copy the prompt again for the scene 2. I just need to copy it. After copying, the next thing I'm going to do is to come back here again. I'll click on this 3 dots here. I'll click on extend. Then I'll drag this to the end so that I'll extend this video to 20 seconds. I'll add another 10 seconds. So I'll click on generate again, and it's going to generate this video. It's going to add another 10 seconds to make the video 20 seconds. So after I generate this one, I will still go back to ChatGPT again and copy our next prompt. So this is how you are going to be doing it to extend the video so that the video is going to long. So this is the method I use to generate the video, and the video is long. So you can use this and generate the video. And if you try it, you don't know how to do it, and you want me to teach you one-on-one class, you can message me. My number is on my bio. Just check my bio. You are going to see my number. You can message me on WhatsApp, and I'm going to teach you how you are going to do it. But just note, it is not free. You have to pay for the class. And I'm going to teach you one-on-one class, book a time for you, which you attend your class, and I'm going to teach you how you can be creating videos like this and be posting it on your page, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, or any of your social media account. So now it's counting. As you can see, I'm using Grok AI, and I don't pay for it. I show you guys how I unlock it on my previous video. So if you have not watched that video, you can check this page or my YouTube channel here, and you're going to see the video. Now it has completed the second scene. It has completed. Now the second thing, the third thing, the next thing I'll do, I'll just go back here. I don't want to waste much of your time. That is why I'm very fast doing this video. So I will just copy this one here again. And after copying, I'll go back here and I'll click on this. I'll click on extend. Then I'll drag it. So this video will now be 30 seconds. Then I'll paste it again. I'll click on generate. And it will generate the next scene, adding it together. Now we create the first one 10 seconds, the third second one 10 seconds, the third one right now 10 seconds, and it will make the video 30 seconds. So this is how you are going to do it using your smartphone. And after that, you click on download, and the video is going to download to your phone. Now you guys have seen everything, how you are going to create this type of video and be posting it on your Facebook page or any of your social media account, and it's going to be monetized. Share this video so that more people are going to benefit from this video, and follow for more tips like this.